Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make a cake in the shape of a tree stump. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. To make this tree stump cake, first make the coffee mousse. In a pot over low heat, add in 80 grams of espresso coffee, 100 grams of milk, and 50 grams of sugar. Bring this mixture to the boil. Mix 3 egg yolks and 40 grams of sugar. Mix until smooth. Add in 25 grams of flour and mix until well combined. Slowly stream in the coffee mixture while mixing throughout. Pour the mixture back into the pot and place over medium heat. Mix throughout until the mixture is thick and shiny. Spoon the mixture into a heat-proof safe bowl and cover in cling wrap. Make sure the cling wrap touches the mixture. This will prevent a skin from forming. Allow the mixture to sit on the counter for an hour, then place into the fridge until completely cold. Once cold, add in 150 grams of room temperature butter and whisk it through. The mixture should be paler in color. Set aside. Next is the chiffon cake. In a bowl with 2 eggs, add in 2 egg yolks and 40 grams of sugar. Mix until smooth. Add in a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Whip the 2 egg whites until soft peaks form. Then gradually add in 60 grams of sugar. Continue to whip the egg whites and sugar until stiff peaks form. Fold the egg whites into the egg yolk mixture. Add in 50 grams of flour and fold it in. Pour the mixture onto a lined baking tray and smooth out into all the edges of the baking pan. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. While the cake bakes, make the orange simple syrup. In a bowl with the juice of 1 orange, add in 20 grams of sugar and 50 grams of water. Microwave for a few seconds and stir to dissolve the sugar. Next is the chocolate ganache. In a bowl with 60 grams of milk chocolate, add in 60 grams of warm milk. Add a plate over and wait a few minutes. Remove the plate and whisk until smooth. Now to assemble. Brush the orange simple syrup onto the chiffon cake. Add the chocolate ganache on top and smooth out. Add half of the coffee mousse and spread out into an even layer. Cut the chiffon cake into strips. There's two ways to roll up the cake. The first way is to take the whole cake and roll it into the next strip of cake, like shown. The second way, I like doing this way better, is to pick up the strips of cake and layer it around the cake. But either way works. To the remaining coffee cream, add in 60 grams of melted dark chocolate and mix until smooth. Frost the mixture around the cake. Once the cake has been frosted, using the spatula, drag upwards to create the bark of a tree. To decorate the cake, I'll be using a caramel bear and some jelly tots. Add a popsicle stick into the cake and balance the caramel bear onto it. Add a marshmallow Christmas tree next to the bear. Add jelly tots around the bottom of the cake. And there you go, a tree stump Christmas cake. Hope you try to make this at home and enjoy!